Hey guys, back with another video. I'm going to do an unboxing. I received my Mixtile in the mail yesterday, and I'm just getting around to opening. I already opened the package, and now I'm about to take it out. And this is what I ordered. I ordered a book, a picture book, and inside there's many different pictures. They're nice and clear pictures. So if anyone wants to order from Mixtiles, this is the company. Can you guys see it? It's Mixtiles. It wasn't very expensive. You also can get, instead of booked, you can get pictures about this size. And the ones I have is this size, and whatever picture you desire will be on here, and on the back it will be like tape, and you just tape them off and you stick them on your wall. You stick it on the wall, and it's been up there. My picture's been up there for years because it's very sturdy, and if you move, it's very easy to take off the wall and put them on the next wall when you move there. But anyway, guys, I wanted to share what I have purchased recently. It's a nice family photo. And instead of keeping all your individual photos all over the place, just put them in one little book and call it a day. It's Mixtile. This is where I got them from. Mixtiles. You guys be blessed.